Bob Marley music is timeless music. Yeah, we can listen his music every time, everywhere, anywhere. I'm influenced by Bob Marley, so there is no Bob Marley, I wouldn't listen to the reggae music. When I was a teenager, the first time I listened to Bob Marley, it was just his remix album. The Chandan Babylon was released, like especially Turn Lights Down Low, Bob Marley featuring Lauryn Hill. That song just released. Then, yeah, like, I was like, say, this type of music is my music. Yeah. That's it. I was so young. Bob Marley music is timeless music. Yeah, we can listen his music every time, everywhere, anywhere. Yeah, so that's why his music is so inspired, inspired to many people so long. Bob Marley is my life teacher.